Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down, click on Vibration and Haptics, and tap on this sweater next to Use Vibration and Haptics in order to turn them on or off. If you decide to enable them, you can also adjust all of those options below Vibration and Haptics. By tapping on this sweater next to Ring Vibration, you can turn off or on incoming calls vibration, and also manage option called Vibrate First, then Ring gradually. By tapping on those two, you can manage notification and alarm haptic feedback. And lastly, select those two to turn on or off touch vibration and media. When you finished, go back and click on those two switches next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to disable or enable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!